Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. I am the professor. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.
Find the number of solution. Let us go for, I think this is example number 3. So we have the example 3, we have the equation 2x square plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. So we need to find the discriminant. Delta equals b square minus 4ac. So b square is 3 square minus 4 times of a is 2 and 2 times of 1 equals 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8. So we have 1. So delta is greater than 0. Delta is greater than 0. So whenever the delta becomes greater than 0, meaning it has two distinct roots. Two distinct roots. So how to find the distinct root? So x equals minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a equals b minus 3 plus or minus root of 3 square minus 4 times of 2 and 1 divided by 2 times of 2. So we get here minus 3 plus or minus root 1 divided by 4 equals minus 3 plus or minus 1 by 4. So we can say x1 equals minus 3 plus 1 divided by 4 equals minus 2 by 4 equals minus 1 by 2, and x2 equals minus 3 minus 1 divided by 4 equals minus 4 by 4 equals minus 1. So therefore we have x equals two distinct root, minus 1 by 2 and comma minus 1. So it has two distinct root. So we have found the root, right? See you, bye bye, have a great day.